customer brought their vehicle in with the check engine light on. I connected a scan tool and retrieved code P0128, which points to an issue with the coolant thermostat or engine temperature regulation. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live scan tool data. The engine coolant temperature sensor was showing neither 40 degrees Fahrenheit, an abnormal reading that suggested a fault in the sensor or its circuit. I started by inspecting the engine coolant temperature sensor's wiring harness and connector. Everything appeared intact with no visible damage or corrosion. Next, with the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check the voltage and ground at the sensor connector. Both were present, which meant the power supply and ground circuits were functioning correctly. To confirm the issue, I tested the engine coolant temperature sensor itself for continuity using the multimeter. The sensor showed no continuity, indicating it was faulty. A working sensor should provide continuity within specific resistance values based on the temperature. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty engine coolant temperature sensor with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the diagnostic trouble codes and performed another road test. This time, the sensor reported accurate coolant temperatures, the engine operated properly, and the check engine light stayed off. The repair was successful, and no further fault codes were detected. This repair highlights the importance of systematic testing. Verifying the sensor's wiring, power supply, and continuity allowed me to pinpoint the issue and avoid unnecessary part replacements. Engine performance, emissions control, and fuel economy.